Hey, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in. Today I wanted to share with you guys this mirror glass. Recently I broke my mirror, and typically I would probably go to Crazy Rays to find another mirror, but upon Amazon search I came across this replacement glass and made a video. Here's what comes in the box. Let's get it. Make sure you clean off the surface. Now just simply apply the adhesives that they give you. Don't be afraid to cut them to make them fit however you may need them. Last step is to simply put your mirror in place and let the adhesive do what it's supposed to do. Off to work I go.